And our next question is secant A by secant A plus 1 plus secant A by secant A minus 1, which is equal to 2 cosecant square A. Like the above problem, this also should take the LCM and multiply with the respective factors. So you will have secant A plus 1 into secant A minus 1, and on top you have secant A into secant A minus 1 plus secant A into secant A plus 1, which will give, by multiplying with this, you will have secant square A minus secant A plus secant square A. By multiplying with this, you will have secant square A plus secant A, and below you have secant square A minus 1 plus minus secant A plus secant A gets cancelled. You will have 2 secant square A in the numerator, and the denominator you have secant square A minus 1, which is tan square A from identity. So with this you will have 2 into, directly also we can do. So here I am writing individually like cos square A. This tan square A can be written as sin square A by cos square A. By reciprocating this one, you will have cos square A by sin square A. Cos square A gets cancelled. Your answer is 2 cosecant square A. 2 cosecant square A is the answer. Our next question is 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A should be equated to tan square A divided by secant A minus 1 whole square. So consider the left hand side. Because the right hand side is given with tan and secants, so I want to convert this cos in terms of secant A. So for that I want to write 1 plus 1 by secant A divided by 1 minus 1 by secant A, which in turn will give, so secant A plus 1 divided by secant A whole divided by secant A minus 1 whole by secant A. Secant A gets cancelled, and the denominator we have secant A minus 1, but we have to prove in RHS like secant A minus 1 whole square. So if we multiply secant A minus 1 in numerator and denominator, we should get the expression nearby. So I want to multiply that one, secant A plus 1 into secant A minus 1 divided by secant A minus 1, earlier it is, and also you are multiplying with secant A minus 1. So on top you will have secant square A minus 1, because it is A minus B into A plus B format. So I wrote A square minus B square, like secant square A minus 1 square, which is 1, divided by secant A minus 1 whole square. So in the numerator you have secant square A minus 1, from identity you have tan square A divided by, below you have secant A minus 1 whole square, which is the RHS. Our next question is cot square A divided by cosecant A plus 1 whole square should be equated to 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A. So cot square A I can write like cosecant square A minus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1 whole square. So in the numerator you have, it is A square minus B square format. 1 can be written as 1 square. So it is A square minus B square format. So I can write A plus B into A minus B. So cosecant A minus 1 into cosecant A plus 1 divided by cosecant A plus 1 whole square. So you have a term should be cancelled in numerator and denominator. You will have cosecant A minus 1 by cosecant A plus 1. Now cosecant I want to write 1 by sin A minus 1 divided by 1 by sin A plus 1. By taking LCMs, respect to LCM, you have sin A, on top you have 1 minus sin A, and in denominator you have sin A as denominator, and you have 1 plus sin A. Sin A gets cancelled. You will have 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. That is what the RHS is. Our next question is 1 plus sin A divided by cos A plus cos A divided by 1 plus sin A, which should be equated to 2 secant A. So consider LHS because that is the complicated one, seems to be. So in that, if you take LCM, in the denominator you have cos A into 1 plus sin A, and by multiplying the factor from the LCM you have 1 plus sin A whole square plus cos square A, which will give 1 plus sin square is 1 plus 2 sin A plus sin square A plus cos square A by cos A into 1 plus sin A, which will give, so you have 1, then this will also be 1. So 2 plus 2 is 2 sin A, so I want to take 2 as common. So 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Both gets cancelled. You will have 2. It is 1 by cos A, so I can write as secant A. That's what the RHS is. And our next question is 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A, which should be equated to secant A minus tan A whole square. So consider the first one, LHS, which is equal to 1 minus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. So given thing is, on LHS side, given thing is in sine angles. On right hand side you have secant A and tan A. Any one you can take. I am taking LHS. So in LHS I want to multiply or divide both numerator and denominator with cos A in two segments, like in numerator also, denominator also. So 1 minus sin A by cos A divided by 1 plus sin A by cos A. So by reciprocating, this cos A will get cancelled. Our previous will be not disturbed. So here 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A, I want to distribute this denominator to two expressions, like 1 minus cos A minus sin A by cos A divided by, here also 1 minus cos A plus sin A by cos A. So from this obviously we can write 1 minus cos A is secant A minus sin A by cos is tan A divided by secant A plus tan A. Now I want to multiply this expression with secant A minus tan A by secant A minus tan A, because this is the inverse of the secant A plus tan A. So from this I can multiply these two. So you will get secant A minus tan A whole square in the numerator, and the denominator you have secant square A minus tan square A, which constitute 1 from the identities. So you will have only secant A minus tan A whole square. That's it. That is the RHS.